So Mario, this is the focusing hood right here. And all I did was take a piece of cardboard, put a hole dead center. Doesn't really matter. What I'm going to do is put the camera right up to the hole. So let's see if I can do this while I'm filming. Let's see, this is going to go on. This should go on pretty easy. Hopefully. There we go. So it holds, right? And this thing just swings open. You can see my image in there. There's my victim. So I can close this. I'm going to come up with the camera. Right? Yep, there it is. And shoot. Got to get it centered, focus. Boom.